Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to look at finding the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. So let's begin. So here it says finding the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Here's the formula that you're going to use, and here are all the meanings for each term that's inside the formula here. Okay, so a sub n is the nth term of the sequence. A sub 1 is the first term of your sequence. N is the number of the term, and D is the common difference. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to find these bottom three and then plug them into this formula and then type it into the calculator. That's all you want to do. So let's take a look at an example. So here it says find the 66th term of the arithmetic sequence. So what they're asking is, if I go negative 10, 7, 24, and go all the way to 66, what would that number be? Okay, so I want the number, I want to go all the way up to 66, okay, and want to know what that number is going to be. And you're going to use this formula to find out. So this is what you're going to do. You'll find the first term, which in this case is negative 10. Find the n, the number term you're looking for, which in this case is 66. And then find the common difference. How much is this going up by each time? Well, you do 7 minus negative 10, you see it's going up by 17. And just to make sure, you do 24 minus 7, and you get 17 as well. So you know it's going up by 17 each time. So we got these three numbers. We're going to plug it into this formula on the right side. So we just plug those in. We got a sub 1, the first term, negative 10, that n, 66. And that common difference is 17. And now finally all you got to do is type all of this straight into the calculator. Negative 10 plus 66 minus 1 in parentheses times 17. And it's just a cursor, don't pay that any attention. And you end up with 1095. So the 66th term in this sequence, if you keep going up by 8, is 1095. Alright, let's take a look at one more example. Okay, so find the 7/4 term of the arithmetic sequence. Negative 8, 0, and 8. So what we're going to do is find the first term, N, the number of terms, and D, the common difference. And those first two are just there. It's negative 8 for the first term, and 74 here is that term. You don't have to do anything. And in this, all you got to do is see what it's going up by. And you could do that by subtracting. Subtracting the second term, negative 8 minus 0, you get 8. And then subtract 8 minus 0, and you get 8, just to make sure it's correct there. So we got the common difference. And now all you got to do is plug it right into the formula here. Negative 8 plus 74 minus 1 times 8. And our final step is we just type that to the calculator. 74 minus 1 times 8 plus negative 8 gives us 576. And that's it. That is finding the nth term of the sequence. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.